In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Telegram only sends message to mutual contact issue. If you are seeing a notice that you can only message mutual contacts, it usually means Telegram's anti-spam system has temporarily limited your account. Don't worry, this is common and fixable. I'll walk you through exactly what to do, why it happens, and how to get back to normal. Start by opening Telegram. In the search bar at the top, type at SpamBot. Then select the result called Spam Info Bot. This is Telegram's official bot for checking account restrictions. Once you've opened the chat, tap Start. The bot will immediately tell you whether your account has any restrictions, and if so, the reason behind them. This context is helpful. It might mention things like sending too many unsolicited messages or being reported by recipients. If the restriction doesn't make sense to you, look for the button that says, "But I can't message non-contacts." The bot will guide you through the next steps, which may include sending a short explanation to moderators. Keep your message clear and respectful. Briefly describe what you were doing, why you think the restriction is a mistake, and confirm you'll follow the guidelines. For example, if you were reaching out to a legitimate client or replying to someone who asked you to message them, say so plainly. Avoid adding external links or anything promotional in this explanation. Simple is best. After you've followed the bot's instructions, the most important part is to wait. Most restrictions are temporary and will automatically lift within 24 to 48 hours. During this period, resist the urge to test the limits by messaging lots of new people. Continuing to trigger the system can extend the restriction. Give it the full window to clear, and then try messaging a non-contact again. Here is also an option to use Telegram Premium. Subscribing to Premium can lift this specific limitation, allowing you to message non-contacts right away. This is a paid upgrade and it's entirely optional, but it can be useful if you need immediate outreach capability for legitimate reasons. Just remember that responsible messaging still applies. If your behavior looks like spam, restrictions can return. Going forward, a few habits help you avoid hitting the limit again. Only message people who are likely expecting you. Personalize your first message. And slow down if you are contacting multiple new users. These small adjustments reduce the chance of being flagged. That's it. Thanks for watching.